In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create card button automations in Trello. If you're looking to streamline your workflow and make navigating your Trello boards a bit more efficient, then you're in the right place. This easy process will help you set up customized card buttons to perform specific actions with just a click. Let's get started. First, head over to your Trello board. Once you're there, cast your eyes to the top right corner. You'll notice a lightning icon. This is your gateway to automation. Click on that icon to open the Automations drop-down menu. Here, you'll see several options, but today, we're focusing on buttons. Go ahead and click on Buttons to proceed. With the Buttons interface open, you'll notice a left panel. From this panel, we're going to select Card Buttons, which allows us to create buttons that will appear on individual cards. Once that's done, it's time to move to the fun part, creating your button. You'll see an option to Create Button. Click on this, and let's get started with crafting your new tool. When creating a button, the first thing you'll want to do is give it a name. Think about what action this button will perform and try to choose a clear, descriptive name. You also have the option to select an icon that will represent this button. The icon helps in visually identifying the button's function at a glance, so choose one that best fits the action you want it to perform. Now, on to the heart of the button. Selecting an action. Trello offers a wide range of predefined actions that you can use to tailor your button precisely to your needs. Whether it's moving a card to a specific list or adding a label, there's likely an action ready-made for what you have in mind. Take your time to explore these options and choose the one that best fits your workflow. Once you've settled on an action, there's just one more step to wrap everything up. In the top right corner, you'll see Save. Click on that to finalize your new card button, and there you have it. Your button is ready to roll. Your newly created button will now appear in the top toolbar on your Trello board. It's right there, ready and waiting for you to use it whenever you need. With this new tool at your fingertips, managing your tasks and organizing your board become effortless. With just a few clicks, you've added a powerful tool to your Trello board, giving you more control and efficiency in managing your tasks. So go ahead, test it out, and see how much easier it is to keep your projects moving forward with your new card button in place. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.